get it. Yeah. Are you ready? I give him a show. I am really a pro. Let the man just high. The supply is low. Cause these niggas don't know how to give him a show. They be smashing these hoes. I be stashing my dough.
Curly by nature. I'm coming to you with a video today to show you guys how I rejuvenate my curls. So I noticed that my curls in the front has been a little loose and I haven't put any heat on it in a while, so I'm not sure why that is or why that's happening, but I'm gonna show you guys how I bring my curls back using the Aztec Indian Healing Clay. So now people use this for their skin, but I use this for my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. First things first, you're gonna need plastic or wood bowl, plastic or wood spatula. Do not use metal. You're gonna need apple cider vinegar. Some people use water, but I'm trying to cleanse my hair, and so I use apple cider vinegar and it works for me. So you can do whatever you choose, water or vinegar. I'm gonna pour, and I just kind of eyeball it. I have a lot of hair, so I want to get the right amount or more, so I don't have to keep pouring it and mixing it, and it's just too much. So then I'm gonna get my apple cider vinegar, and I just kind of eyeball it. So you don't want to make it too thick, more on the runny side. So once you pour it in, let's see, it's gonna like bubble up. Hope I don't spill this. It's like a science project. I probably might need a little bit more. And what I'm gonna do is just mix it with my spatula.
Woke up with my shades on. Another long night on the stage gone. It was nothing but good vibes. Signed a few bras and
All right, y'all. So you're gonna wanna spray your hair with water, because I am about to section it off into parts, 4 parts.
good vibes. Signed a few bras and good night. Got the bars like I'm Suge Knight. You niggas living in Suge Heights. But new engine that could rhyme, and I don't think I'm in my.
Okay, so I think mine just kind of like dried a little bit, but this is how I have it. The consistency of mine, and I'm gonna use gloves. You guys don't have to use gloves, but I would like to section this off. On my gloves. Let's get down to business. So yeah, so whenever you feel like your hair is like getting brittle, or you put too much heat on it, and like you just like finish taking your hair out from braids or some type of protective style, I would recommend using this before and after your hairstyle. Because I think this is the second time me doing this, and the first time I used it, it worked really well for my hair. It brought out my curls. It like everything like just bounced back. So hopefully I'm trying to get the same results this time around. And I feel like I need more apple cider vinegar. If the apple cider vinegar is too much for your hair, you can dilute it with a little bit of water. And just make sure it's really wet. I got it all over my robe already.
But new engine that could rhyme, and I don't think I'm in my prime. Cause they know that I got it, I'm coming to get it. My flow out of line, I don't check it. When they hating on me, I don't buy it. They writing down notes and then try to apply it. They booking the kid cause I'm Kenny. Boy, you got a fine bitch, I got plenty. Boy, be getting the fetty like Remy. Boys, my niggas go dumb off the Henny. Boy, just letting you know, I get it wavy, but ain't got a row. Rapping around them like I'm the LaCroix.
So what's gonna happen is, once you do your whole hair, you're gonna wait for it till it gets hard. So that'll be my way. I mean, you could leave it in for 25, 30 minutes or whatever, but I leave it until it gets hard and stiff. So I'm gonna finish doing my whole head, and then I'll be right back when it's done. All right, you guys, so as you can see, my hair is saturated in the mask, but what I wanted to do was try to like shingle my curls. Oh my gosh, I got this stuff everywhere. Oh my goodness. Okay, but so shingling. So okay, so you don't want to try to manipulate your hair, like touch your hair, do anything with your hair when it gets hard. So once I feel like it's getting hard, I just spray more water because I don't want it to really. I'm not ready for it to be finished yet. So what I'm trying to do is just make sure it gets to all my curls. So I'm just shingling. Now shingling takes a lot of time. You're basically doing it strand by strand, curl by curl.
Them off the Henny, boy, just letting you know, I get it wavy, but ain't got a row. Rapping around them like I'm the LaCroix. Them boys washed, I got the soap. Hammer, time, murder, I wrote. Get more cheese, and I'm a goat. Locked in low, ready to go. I need all eyes on me, let's go.
Okay, so this is how it looks when dry. It's not fully dry, so yeah, so I'm just gonna let it fully dry. Wash it out. I'm not going to use any shampoo because this already strips your hair, cleanses it, and everything like that. So I'm just going to use my conditioner, deep condition, and my leave-in conditioner. I'm just doing my natural wash and go. My hair is like fully like stiff and dry. You kind of see my curls, you know, coming back a little bit. But I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looked when dry. I'm gonna go wash this out. All right, y'all, so this is what my hair looks like after I washed it all out. Look at that. I didn't put any conditioner in it yet. My hair feels very dry, but look how it defined. Okay. All right, guys, so here it is. So I'm gonna put my conditioner in, put my deep conditioner in, do my wash and go using aloe vera. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it down below. But I'm done. Any questions, comments, feel free. But until next time, guys, I'm out of here.